Your Excellency, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of the Summit. Right Honorable Speakers and colleagues, Deputy Speakers and the Cabinet Secretaries, Right Honorable Secretary General Veronica, who came to support us from Arusha, Honorable Members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. I start by congratulating our President, who is the President of Kenya, for having been elected last Saturday, as the new chairperson of the head of states of East African Partner State Community. Please, let's congratulate him. Let me, Your Excellency, thank you for graciously accepting to preside over this 14th edition of the IPG in this beautiful city, which is Mombasa. Your Excellency, let me remind all of these members, all of these friends, that we started this IPG, this Inter-Parliamentary Games, in Tanzania. It was in 2009. The second edition was in Bujumbura, Burundi, in 2011. The third edition was in Nairobi, Kenya, 2012. The fourth edition was in Kampala, Uganda, 2013. Fifth edition in Arusha, Tanzania, 2014. Fifth edition in Kigali, Rwanda. Seventh edition Mombasa. Eighth edition Dar es Salaam. Ninth edition Burundi. 10th edition Kampala. And in 2020, because of COVID, we didn't have it. 11th was in Arusha. 12th, Juba, Republic of South Sudan. 13th, Kigali, and now in Mombasa. Your Excellency, I will not make a long speech. The only work we made together when you are leading us all along this beach of Mombasa, when we are all chanting, all singing, behind that music, we were all one. There were no opposition, no ruling party, no, I don't know, we were as East African, and that's what we want in these games. The message we need was there, because these games are for us to unite, to spread love, to enjoy, to know each other, and to do what we call oversight. Please, Governor of Mombasa, we came to integrate. We will have to visit your hotels, your beaches, your nightclubs, your everything. Please open your doors. We came here to enjoy. Thank you.
Your Excellency, allow me